Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a Skoda Superb. This is a 2015 65 plate and I'm going to show you where and how to change the pollen filter. Let's get into it right now. So on this model, we'll come round to the passenger side, and the usual place for most Volkswagens and Audis and stuff is just under there, but today we are going in the glove box. And to get this glove box out, down the side there you have this little slow release, I think they call it, like a soft close drawer in your kitchen but for a glove box coming down. So what you want to do is just grab it by the side and pull it towards you, and you'll hear it click, and then you can just wiggle the glove box and that'll come out. Once that bit is out, then we've got these two tabs up the top here, one there and one there. So to get them out, just pull this little bit of rubber towards you and the glove box will come down if you do that on both sides. And then make sure you've got that out there. Just like that, and everything will fall out of it. So now behind the glove box you can see this panel just here, and this is the one we need to take off. It's got some little tabs that we're just going to pull down on the top, so it's nice and tight, obviously. There we go. Once you pull them tabs down, be able to just move it out, and then we can see our pollen filter. Just carefully pull that out there, and yeah, it's in better days. So we're going to take your new pollen filter and slide her in. Make sure she's home. Then we're going to take our little trap door. I'm just going to line it up into the bottom locators and just push it in the top until you hear it click. And to put the glove box back together, you can just push it up, as simple as that, and it will relocate. And then with this side bit just in here, you can see the little hole there. You're just going to push it in and then push it towards the front of the car until it clicks. And that's it. So that's just a quick video on how to change the pollen filter / cabin filter in your Skoda Superb. If you like the content, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.